We have ourselves right here this evening. A very, very special guest on my left here. This is Dragon Asar, DJ. He's here today. Everything's good. On my far right, we have the beautiful lady, Liquor Brown Ras. But before we get to Rastafari, in the middle right here, we have the gentleman. He goes by the name of Jai. Welcome to the UpNLiveShow, sir. How you doing today?
I'm good, man. How are you?
I'm
alright.
Yeah, that sounds a bit better.
I'd say that's better, yeah.
Yeah, that sounds much better. It wasn't actually. Oh, I don't think your microphone was actually.
Sorry
One,
about
two,
that. I
one,
thought I
two,
turned
one,
it
two.
on. My apologies. I'm sorry.
That's alright. Just wind down.
That's right.
You
What's
want a beater?
the name? Is it Jai? Can you just explain it for me? Because I was a bit all over the place with your name.
It's Jajii. It's actually a Swahili word.
There you go. See?
What does it mean?
I mean, it's judge.
It means
Judge.
judge.
Like court judge. Yeah.
Oh, judge.
So you better behave yourself, yeah?
I'm always behaving.
I'm playing.
She's always judging us, you know. She's like the
I
police.
have to keep you guys in check. It's not
Listen.
judging. I have to make sure that. Anyways, back to.
Like, I mean, it's
Judge.
judge. Basically, my dad used to call me that when I was a kid. You know, when you're a small kid and you're beloved and you're the judge in the house.
Yeah.
Like when you cry and all that, but I'm not going to go into it.
Oh, cool. That's a nice thing.
What we see you have here, you have a keyboard, and you have a computer. Seems like you're like a musical scientist. Is that the word for it?
If you want to call it that, I reckon. Yeah, why not? I'll take that.
So are you a singer or are you a composer?
I am actually a composer, and keys is my first instrument. So before anything happened, I started with piano.
Okay.
Yeah, pretty much.
So you walk with your studio basically with you.
Portable studio. Yeah, you could say that. I actually got a Bluetooth speaker as well that I walk with as well. So literally, I could have a session anywhere.
Yeah. So if we didn't have a speaker, then Joy would have a bit. Is it Jajii?
Judge. Work with judge.
Just work with the judge.
Judge.
Yeah,
Yes.
just good. Judge.
Judge is good.
Yeah. But for social media, preference we say Jajii. Make sense?
100%.
Yes.
100%.
Your voice and your music sounds a bit. Are you from Africa? Are you African?
I'm African, yeah.
And which country is it?
Kenya.
Kenya.
Yeah.
So let me shake your hands. I've never met an artist from Kenya. Everybody always come from either Ghana,
Trust me.
what's the other one? Nigeria. And I've never met anyone from Kenya who does music. Can you just talk to me about life in Kenya? How is it different from here in the UK?
Sunshine, first of all, to start with.
A big difference.
Yeah, it's very nice. I'll tell you what, last year I went to Kenya for 30 days in January in 2017, and I came back and it was -2 here, and I couldn't get used to it again.
Were you born here or you were born in Kenya?
I was born in Kenya. I came here when I was 14,
Okay. How old are you now?
24.
Let me do the maths there. Take away that plus that. It's 14 years, isn't it?
Pretty much, yeah.
And you're still not used to it.
Never, man. Not used to the weather, but there's a lot of opportunities, and that's what a lot of people are here for as well. And English people are nice as well, you know what I mean?
Yeah, some of them.
Some of them, obviously, some of them, yeah.
But don't get me wrong, my English peeps, yeah, most of you nice when you feel like. Because I felt it, so I'm just going to be honest. We're not pretend.
That's true, actually, yeah.
What's the new material that you're working with at the moment? Anything new?
I got my single 24 video, just uploaded it on Grind Daily, came out last month.
I've seen that video, I've seen that video, and it's quite, it looks like you put a lot of work into it.
100%, I put so much work. So.
Because there's so many different layers. Because I know about like the video production. Not really, I'm a video production. I don't do it myself, but I watch people who do it.
Yeah.
And I know how much time it takes and effort it gets to get things together.
Yeah.
And I watched the video and I can see that I must have taken you a whole lot of time.
Because it was my first video. I wanted to make sure like everything's perfect. Nothing's ever perfect anyway, but I wanted to make sure like I present myself to the world in the correct way, because first impressions count the most. So I just put in so much work, and I'm proud of it personally. So
But people liked it.
yeah, it's made a lot. I'm from Reading. I don't know if you guys know about Reading. There's a small town from Paddington. It's like half an hour from Paddington. It's called Reading, and it's making quite a lot of noise in Reading. So, and London as well, hopefully.
Yeah, because I watched the video and I'm liking, it's got quite a few plays, and normally when artists of yourself, like say from a different genre, goes on Gram Daily, it's a bit
It's really tough.
hit or
Yeah.
miss.
People just skip on your video a lot.
Yeah, but they seem to like it.
Yeah, but this one, yeah, people liked it. Yeah. The comments are amazing. The interaction is amazing. The amount of Instagram DMs I have and people messaging me telling how amazing the video is and the song, I'm just humble.
That is good.
Yeah.
But we see you as an open format artist. As I say, you have a bit of the Afrobeat side to you. You have a bit of the UK sound. You dabble a bit in the production side. Where are you more comfortable in? What genre, what side of the music are you more comfortable in?
I'm more comfortable with Afrobeats, obviously, because I'm African. So, and I've been doing a lot of music in the past, which I haven't released because I didn't feel like I'm very comfortable with it. But with Afrobeats, it just like Afrobeats and Afrofusion, it just comes in and it sets the pace for me, and that's it.
Listen, I want you to talk to me about this Afrofusion thing, because obviously I like Afrobeats. I don't understand what they're saying,
Yeah,
but I like
100%.
the vibe of it. I'm just
I
being
understand
real.
what they're saying. I
I don't understand what they're saying.
Okay,
What?
I'll explain to you the difference between Afrobeats and Afrofusion.
Yeah, what's that?
Afrobeats is our West African sounds. You know, the likes of Wizkid, Davido, Mr. Easy. I don't know if you've heard those big names.
Yeah, I know them.
Those are Afrobeats. But then Africa is a big